inspired to make these large paintings after being in the desert during a super bloom. I like the title of the show, Counting the Steps of the Sun. Every day, it seems to us, the sun is traveling through the sky in a large arc from the east to the west. I'm going to use all this new spring growth as the source for my shapes. Whatever you decide on, it's important that your shapes all have an inside and an outside edge. So for example, if you were drawing a snowflake, instead of just drawing lines, it would be better if you were drawing actual shapes. So your snowflake would have an inside and an outside edge. This one we don't want. This is how we want to create our shapes, so that when we add color, we're able to put the color inside the shape. You could also think about overlapping. So maybe one shape might go behind another shape. My sun is an early morning sun, so it's up here in this corner of my picture. I'm going to make sure that I add the rays of the sun. I'm using the side of my chalk, and those rays are going to come straight out of the sun, and you can see exactly where that sunlight is going to touch my shapes. So if your sun was in the middle, maybe those rays would be hitting all the tops of the shapes. But in my case, the sunlight is going to be touching this edge of all these shapes. For each shape, you'll need 2 shades of the same color, one dark and one light. If you don't have 2 shades of the same color, you can always make 2 shades by having the regular color, and for the lighter version you can just add white to it. I'm going to add my lighter edges first. So on this side of this shape, it's going to be lighter. All those edges will have a lighter color. I can make it quite a thick sort of stripe. And on the other side, I'm going to fill in the darker color. Where those two colors meet, you can blend it very lightly with your finger if you would like to.